Most people spend their lives trying to be liked and still get ignored. They speak softly, explain themselves too much, stay available, stay polite, and somehow still end up being underestimated. But respect doesn't come from being nice. Respect comes from understanding the hidden rules people never say out loud. The brutal truth: human beings don't always respect kindness first. They respect certainty, boundaries, unpredictability, and controlled power. And once you understand that, the way people look at you changes forever. In this video, you'll learn 7 dark psychology tricks that make anyone respect you, not by begging for attention, not by forcing dominance, but by shifting the invisible energy around you. And trust me, the last one is the one most people are too weak to use. The first trick is simple. Stop explaining yourself too much. Weak people over-explain because they fear being misunderstood. Strong people understand that too much explanation looks like hidden insecurity. The more you justify every decision, every boundary, every absence, the more you teach people that your choices need approval. Dark psychology begins where unnecessary words end. When you speak less, people start filling the silence with assumptions, and most of those assumptions increase your value. A short answer feels stronger than a long defense. A calm no feels more powerful than a paragraph of excuses. Watch what happens when you remove your need to be understood by everyone. People don't just listen more. They start measuring their words around you, and that is where respect begins. The second trick is to be less available than people expect. Most people lose respect the moment they become too easy to access. Instant replies, constant availability, always saying yes, always being there. It feels kind, but psychologically it kills value. Human beings respect what feels scarce, not fake arrogance, not games, controlled access. When you are always present, people stop feeling your presence. But when your time becomes selective, your attention starts feeling expensive. Suddenly, your words carry more weight. Your absence creates curiosity. Your delayed response creates tension. And tension creates importance. Be honest with yourself. Do you reply too fast just because you're afraid to lose people? Comment respect. If that hit harder than expected, because this is where most people accidentally train others to take them for granted. The third trick is master the power of the pause. When someone challenges you, disrespects you, or tests your confidence, never rush to answer. Most people react instantly because pressure makes them emotional. But the pause? The pause is psychological warfare. A 2-second silence before speaking can completely change the power dynamic in a room. Why? Because rushed people look defensive. Paused people look dangerous. When someone throws a subtle insult and you immediately defend yourself, you hand them control. But when you look at them, still, and answer only when you choose, their nervous system starts working against them. Now they're wondering, did I say too much? Did they notice? What are they about to do? That's dark psychology. Silence forces people to feel the weight of their own behavior. And once they feel that weight, they begin adjusting themselves around you. The fourth trick is to never react at the exact moment they expect. Most people can be predicted. Push them here, they explode. Ignore them there, they chase. Praise them, they melt. Criticize them, they break. Predictable people are easy to control. Respected people are harder to read. If someone tries to provoke you, don't respond on schedule. If they expect anger, give calm. If they expect desperation, give distance. If they expect defense, give indifference. This doesn't just protect your power, it unsettles theirs. Unpredictability creates psychological caution, and cautious people become respectful people. But here's the part nobody talks about. The next trick is where respect turns into silent intimidation, and most people are too emotionally needy to pull it off. The fifth trick is to remove your need to be liked. This is where real power starts. The moment people sense you need approval, they own a piece of your behavior. They can manipulate you with praise, guilt, exclusion, or fake warmth. But when you stop needing everyone to like you, something changes in your energy. Your posture changes. Your tone changes. Your eye contact changes. You stop performing. You stop chasing. You stop shrinking. And suddenly, people feel it. Even those who don't agree with you start respecting you because your presence is no longer asking for permission. This is why some people walk into a room and instantly shift the atmosphere without saying much. They are not trying to win everyone. They are willing to lose people, and people deeply respect those who can walk away. Be honest, which is harder for you, staying silent or not caring who leaves? Drop it in the comments. The sixth trick is to set one boundary so cleanly that people never test that line twice. Most people talk about boundaries emotionally. They warn, they explain, they repeat themselves. That's not a boundary. That's negotiation. Dark psychology works differently. A real boundary is quiet, clear, and backed by consequence. If someone disrespects you, crosses a line, wastes your time, or plays games, you don't give speeches. You change access. You reduce energy. You remove availability. You make the consequence feel real without making the drama loud. This is what Machiavelli understood. Mercy without structure invites more disrespect. Once people learn that crossing you creates immediate distance, they stop seeing you as soft territory. Respect grows fastest where consequences are calm and consistent. No shouting, no begging, just a silent shift they never forget. And the seventh trick, the darkest one of all, is to make people feel your standards without announcing them. Weak people constantly say, "I deserve respect." Strong people never need to say it. Their standards are felt in how they move, in what they ignore, in what they refuse, in how quickly they detach from nonsense, in how little they tolerate confusion, in how calmly they leave what doesn't align. This is the ultimate dark psychology move because it forces people to self-correct around you. They start watching how they speak. They start wondering what will make you lose interest. They start respecting your space because your energy communicates. Not everyone gets access here. That silent message is more powerful than any threat ever made. And once people feel that, they don't just respect you, they become careful with you. Now, here's the brutal truth. These 7 tricks are not about manipulation for ego. They're about ending the patterns that make people overlook, use, and underestimate you. Over-explaining, over-availability, instant reactions, predictable emotions, approval-seeking, weak boundaries, low standards. These habits quietly teach people they can handle you casually. But when you remove them, your entire social reality changes. People don't always know why they're acting differently around you. They just do. They feel more caution, more curiosity, more restraint. And that invisible shift, that is respect being built in real time. If this video exposed something uncomfortable in you, good. That means you're finally seeing the hidden behaviors that destroy respect before you even speak. Most channels tell you to be confident. That's surface-level nonsense. This channel teaches you the psychological mechanics behind power. So now I want to know which of these 7 tricks will change the way you move starting today. Comment the number below. And if you're serious about becoming the kind of person people instinctively respect, hit subscribe right now, because the next video goes even deeper into the silent behaviors that make manipulative people fear losing control around you. Miss that one, and you'll keep walking into battles without ever seeing the trap.